In primetime news this evening, who are they? 6 parliamentarians and 28 public officials being investigated for illicit enrichment.
Warn the people. Lawmaker warns health authorities to give alerts to the public amid sweltering heat.
And anti-corruption group eager to see impeachment rules for lawmakers. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, it's Wednesday, so I'll have the latest gas prices, and here's a hint, it's all red arrows. And also in the business news, we're going to be talking about Christmas in July, so stay tuned for that and so much more. And Jermaine Brown is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, thanks, Archie. It's all about the CONCACAF Gold Cup this evening. The Reggae Boys take on Mexico. We'll tell you about that and more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, how have you been coping with the heat? We're expecting lots of responses.
Oh, definitely. And you can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.